Hello guys, what's going on? What's going on? Welcome to today's live stream. So we are live guys. We are live guys. So today we are going to look at things we're gonna discuss. We're gonna discuss the fundamentals that is driving the market now. The market is crazy guys. Now we are going to also look at some of the tips that will make you a profitable trader. Then the third one is that we are going to talk about different trading style. Then we're also gonna round it up with showing you some analysis and some of the trades we are looking at now. Guys, God is here. So guys, now the first one is there's what you call fundamentals. You know, some of you, if you hear of fundamentals, you'll be like news. No, fundamentals are different from news. News are what you see every day, but there's what you call fundamentals, and fundamentals are what drives the market in the long run. So if you really want to play fundamentals, you have to pay attention to it very well. And here at Apex Trading Academy, our strategy is built on fundamentals, okay? So, but we'll talk more about that later. So one of the key things that is driving the market now is inflation, and there is a relationship between inflation and interest rates. So the higher the inflation, the chances of interest rates getting high. So that's why you see dollar hitting a multi-year highs, all those kind of stuff. So that's the inflation, and it's one of the things that affected the crypto market. But if you didn't know, you'll be like, this market is misbehaving, all these things is happening. So this is just a tip of inflation. But just know that once there is a higher inflation, in a normal market condition, before now, inflation is negative for the currency. But now, inflation is positive for the currency, because it means that each Apex bank in each of those nation or zone, like the euro, we have the eurozone, they will raise interest. Like this week now on Thursday, expect an interest rate raise by ECB, that's the European Central Bank, because they're gonna raise rate. They have not raised rates for the first time since this year. So that's one of the fundamentals you should be paying attention to. So if you want to learn more also about fundamentals, feel free to join our Telegram group. You see the link down below. So guys, the second thing now is, let's talk about what should make you have four things that will make you a profitable trader. So the problem is that you might have been trading for a while. Yeah, the truth is that trading is not easy, just like any other thing. You get the information, you assimilate it, and you let it play out for a very long time. So it's not easy. So anybody that tells you that trading is easy, the person is trying to say something. It's not easy, but it's doable. So there are some things you have to do to become a profitable trader. Number one is, when you have learned, let's say when you have learned, try to limit the numbers of groups you join. Some of you are in 30 groups. No, I'm not laughing, I'm serious here. Some of you are you know yourself, you are in 30 groups. If you go to this group today, they will tell you AA, and some of you are in like 1,000 telegrams, Telegram signal group. This one will tell you buy Euro USD. The other group will tell you say Euro USD. The other one will say Euro USD neutral. So what will you do? You are confused. Because the truth is that the other person, maybe his strategy is calling for a buy, and the other person, his strategy is calling for a sell at that time. So it's confusing you. So the first thing, pro tip is, exit as many groups as possible. And before the end of this tip, I will show you how to stay the right group to choose. The second one is, find a community and join. Guys, trading is a very lonely business. If you are not working from a hedge fund, or if you are not joining any trading academy, it's very lonely. So you have to acquaint yourself with traders, and you should not just join any group. Join groups where you get value. So one of the groups we recommend is join our free Telegram group, so that you be in the community, so that you know what is happening in the market. The third way is, find a few strategy and stick to it. Simple. There is no magic pill here, guys. You have to find a few strategy and stick to it. What do I mean by that? If you are trading whatever strategy you are trading, for those of you that trade, if the morning star crosses, or if you wake up by 3 and your child is crying, you go and place a buy. If that thing is your strategy, and if it is profitable, stick to it. Don't be there's what you call in trading strategy harlot. Like you're moving, or strategy prostitute. You're moving from one strategy to another strategy. It will confuse you. You will not have a data to analyze and know what is working or what is not working. So you have to find few strategies. I don't just say one. Because if you have one strategy, it means that you only wait for only one thing to happen in the market. But you can have in your tool a few strategies that has been proven, and you trade it. And another thing is you be disciplined. Whatever strategy you are trading, don't look at what the other person is doing. If your setup has not aligned, wait for it to align according to your strategy and trade it, provided it's a proven strategy. Okay, so that's what you should do about it. Then another one you should pay attention is also before you join. Also, you can learn for free. That's another tip. You can learn trading for free, but there is a downside to it. The thing is that the learning curve is gonna be long. It's gonna be long, guys. So if you want to shorten your learning curve, you look for an academy and join. You look for an academy and join so that you shorten your learning curve. That's what the essence of it. But before you join an academy, you should also ask yourself, what is the style of their trading? Does their style resonate with you? If their style of trading resonates with you, you can easily join them. And there's different types of styles of trading. They're just called the scalpers, the day traders, the swing traders, and the position traders. So when you're talking about the scalpers, they are those that trade the 1 minute time frame. We talk about the intraday traders, they trade something like 30 minutes. Then for the swing traders, they are the guys that hold trade for a long time and wait. They are the people that say that they wait for the market to work for them. So there is no best trading strategy. The best one is the one that suits you. So these are the things you find out. So whenever you are joining any academy, you know what they trade and know if their strategy resonates with you. If it resonates with you, guys, you join them and you pay. If they have any program, pay and shorten your learning curve, guys. There is no need, because there is this saying in this market that if you don't pay to learn, paying to learn means either you pay with time or you pay with your portfolio, like your equity. So if you don't pay to learn, you will pay to the market. It's just a matter of time. The market will catch up with you. So that's just it. So because one of the worst things that can happen to you in trading is for you to have what you call beginner's luck. If you have beginner's luck, it means you just place your first trade, you make some profit, and you be like, man, this is easy. Is that this thing that they are saying you should pay and learn? No, before you know it, the market will catch up with you. So that's some of the tips you should bear in mind before choosing any academy to join. So that's it, guys. So let's look at the current trade. We are on this thread, so let's hop into the chart. So this is the only thread we call now. Any other one will be dropped in our premium group and our Telegram group, so that's why you should join. So because of time, let's not make this long. So guys, if you are getting value from this video, smash the subscribe button. If you have any questions, if you have any other tip, maybe you're a profitable trader already, if you have any other tip that has been making you profitable all this while, feel free to comment it down below. Turn on the notification button, smash the subscribe button. Let's trigger the YouTube algorithm. So the trade we are looking at now is AUD card. If you check the link, you see our Telegram group. We bought this trade somewhere around there, inside here. So we bought somewhere around there. So we are currently on this trade. We took some profit here. So the trade is pulling back. So if it pulls back to a significant level around here, and we get a trigger according to the strategy we trade, we buy and ride it all the way up. If it doesn't hold, it means we are coming down here. So that's the two things. But our bias here for now is still a buy. This is just a pullback. So if you have any strategy already and you know how to trade, use your strategy and evaluate this thing and look for buying opportunity. If you want to sell, it should be in the short term, but the long term bias is a buy. So that's the only trade we are calling. So we'll be updating you when it is right. We'll update you. So feel free to join the Telegram group. Then if you are, for those of you who have been asking which broker will I use, all those stuff, so because one thing is trading is hard. So imagine making all this money from trading to withdraw your money, problem. So we recommend that you use the broker we use, the best broker. Check the link down below. You see the link to our preferred broker. Sign up with them so that when you trade, you make money and you withdraw, guys. Also, if you are new to trading, also you are looking for contents to watch, also go to the playlist of our YouTube video and YouTube channel, and you see FOREX free education. You educate yourself. Some of you, when you are in a trade, you don't know how to take out some partial profits, you don't know how to lock in profits. We have some free content there. You watch it and acquaint yourself with that. So that's it. Then for those of you who want to learn how to trade the market the most realistic way, also feel free to check our FOREX Made Easy course, our FME course. Guys, there is no need to talk. It's one of the best courses out there where you learn so many things. So check the link down below. You see it there. You see some of the things you're going to learn. Let me see if I can show you some of the things you are going to learn. It will shorten your learning curve and all those stuff. So you see the benefit that comes with the course. You learn how to trade the market the most realistic way. You learn how to do a proper fundamental analysis. Learn how to read the market sentimentally. Learn how to master technical analysis, because you need all these things. You don't just trading is competitive. So the more tools you have in your arsenal, the better for you. So that's it. So you learn how to do those things. Then you also join our you see the benefits here, guys. So you also join our premium group where we drop trade alerts and all those things, and learn the most professional trading psychology, because you might be good but your mindset might be messed up, and you're not going to make money, guys. So you need to have the right trading mindset. There is a right trading mindset. So these some of the things you learn. And risk management, we hand you a risk management template where you will not be able to blow your account again. It's not possible. Even if in Nigeria they say even if not juju, it's not possible. So with the risk management templates and the right strategy, plug and play, you do it there and you put in the work and master the craft. Then the last thing is, at the end of the day, maybe you are here, you are good as a trader, but you are underfunded. So if you are looking for equity, you are good already, you know. So if you are looking for equity also, if you get this our course, we show you how to access funds so you can trade and make those millions. Okay, so that's it, guys. So catch you inside our Telegram group. So wishing you a profitable trading week. So see you some other time, guys. Peace.